Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and verify a Bybit account. First, go to bybit.com or open the Bybit app. Now click sign up and enter your email or phone number. Then create a strong password. After that, agree to the terms and conditions and tap sign up. Next, verify your email or phone using the OTP code sent. Then enable 2FA, which is optional but recommended. Now go to account and security. Here, enable the Google Authenticator or SMS 2FA. Next, scan the QR code with the Authenticator app and enter the generated code to confirm. After that, go to Account and Identity Verification. Then choose Individual and upload your government ID such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID. Here, take a selfie or do live verification if prompted and submit for review. Now, wait for verification, which usually takes from instance up to 24 hours. You will receive a confirmation email once your account is verified. Finally, go to Assets and Deposit. Now, select cryptocurrency or fiat, then copy the wallet address or follow the instructions. After the deposit, you can start spot or futures trading. Always use real details for KYC to avoid withdrawal issues and enable 2FA for maximum account security. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.